Should I say hi?
Huh?
Should I say hi when you say that?
Hey guys, it's Kimora Blac and welcome back to my channel. It's a very, very special video today and I'm so excited because I'm here with my partner.
Hey guys.
The last time we were here, we introduced our candle brand to you guys, Scentual Taboo, and it's been doing so good and so amazing. To everyone that has been purchasing candles from us, thank you so much. Obviously our candles are homegrown and created by him. And yeah, we have a special announcement today.
I mean, the first thing is that June 1st is actually our 1-year anniversary, the day that we launched everything for the brand, and it's been doing really well. And we do thank everyone that supported and purchased, and we hope you guys love them, and we've gotten so much great feedback, and there's a lot in the works. But to celebrate our 1-year anniversary and it being Pride Month, because last year we didn't want to do a Pride theme for our first collection because it was the launch of the brand. So we're going to be doing a Pride collection that we've worked on together. And you know us, we have a little bit of like fun with words and a little bit of innuendos and
just say it, we're disgusting. You guys know that we're super raunchy with the names, and it's just really to kind of have fun with the candles. I feel like candles nowadays are just so like boring and like lame and boring. So why not spice it up with some names? So our Pride collection is based on hooking up.
I thought it would be a really fun concept so it's the Pride collection and it's the hookup edition. Hint, hint with the yellow in the background. Use some of the gays' favorite hookup app. I'm not gonna say it's a dating app because, you know, it's not a dating app, but the gays' favorite hookup app, and to use some of the terminology that is used on that hookup app.
You guys already know what hookup app we're talking about.
It was interesting because I haven't obviously been on that in years, and what? I haven't. So I had to find a glossary for this hookup app to like come up with some of these words, and I asked a lot of my friends and I asked a lot of our friends. I did.
I mean, who doesn't love hooking up, right?
But I think the biggest excitement about this collection is that because it is Pride themed and because we are I would say a small LGBT owned business, we want to kind of support the community and give back in some aspect that we can. So 10% of the proceeds from the entire sales in June, not just of this collection, but from the entire sale. So if you buy a core collection, if you buy holiday collection that's still selling really well, is going to be donated to an LGBT plus foundation of our choice. We are working out some things with a couple local ones, so that's why we haven't necessarily narrowed down who it's going to be, but it will be to really support LGBT youth, LGBT homeless, like suicide prevention, things like that, just so that way we can try to make a little bit of a difference, especially during Pride Month. I know I'm super excited about that. I guess now we can kind of show you guys and do the reveal, or I don't know if what would you say reveal?
I would say reveal.
Reveal.
Yeah, but they haven't seen it yet. Get ready.
Get ready, yeah. What's fun is that we kind of do everything on our own, like graphic design. I know it's like very minimal, but we do it all on our own. So when we say handcrafted, like hand poured, it's truly a homemade brand.
No, he literally makes it like here. All of our scents are created by us. They're designed by us. You guys don't understand, we live in like a laboratory. So yeah, so what you guys see and smell is just created by us. There's no one else behind the scene coming up with it besides our really, really good friend Jessie, which is the model for our website and also for the campaign. So shout out to Jessie V. I love
thanks,
you.
Jessie.
Thank you, babe. You look hot. Yeah, I think they're ready to see what we have coming out.
So we'll do the first one, and the first one is gonna be coming out.
So cute.
And I'll be honest, so I didn't initially have a coming out themed. I don't think we had initially talked about a coming out candle, but Jessie actually was like, why don't you do a coming out? And yeah, I really like that idea. Yeah.
I mean, we're all coming out somewhere or something.
So coming out is super, I would say like it's pure, it's fresh, it's innocent. The notes in the candle are cucumber, white tea.
Oh, I smell the white tea.
Melon. It's very fresh. It's like a perfect summer scent with coming out. Like I wanted to be like kind of feel innocent and pure and and really kind of have that like light scent. How would you describe it? Like,
I would say I definitely smell like the cucumber notes, the freshness. Like this is what I would have this is what I would light up like if I'm kind of freshening up a room or something. Like this is what I would light because it would remind me to like, I don't know, it just remind me to be like fresh and clean. I like this.
Probably like if like you were having visitors at the house, something like that.
I would think so. When you hook up, you want your house to smell nice.
Well, there's some other little raunchy ones there. The second one is gonna be travel only.
Love that. Why'd you name it travel only?
Well, okay, so you guys that have been, I guess, customers of the brand and kind of following us for a while know that every name has there's a reason for the name. There's a reason for the name, and every name has some kind of aspect in the scent. Like morning wood is a wood scent. Nut and me, there's hazelnut in it. With travel only, it's truly a travel scent. I kind of base this one off of how many times we've gone to Hawaii, and we love Hawaii. So it kind of gives you that tropical pina colada, like travel vibes, like travel scent. Pineapple, rum.
Ooh, I love that. Like a bottom.
Like, so that's where travel only came from. And then obviously, you know.
I thought it meant like travel to me so we can hook up.
Well, that's why I named it that.
We're going to Hawaii.
Yeah, well, no. I named it travel only, like travel, like I can't host. Is that what it's called? No hosting or not hosting or something like that?
So like when people say like no hosting means like you can't come here because I'm married or I had to live with my mom. So you want to travel.
But the scent is a travel scent. So you guys see how that works?
Love it.
So the next one is literally my favorite. The name is my favorite. Everything about it is my favorite. The scent's my favorite. I knew this was gonna be, we named this collection the Hookup Edition because I knew I wanted a candle named this. And I knew I wanted a candle with this scent. Here it is. Nasty Pig. I don't even know what a nasty pig is.
It sounds like someone that wants to be tied up.
Probably.
I love that though. I think that's hot.
Probably.
Or just like someone that does poppers outrageously.
What? Not a popper.
Yeah, like poppers. Like that's what you use to kind of like relax, like a pig.
Like a pig. So Nasty Pig, as you guys probably already know, it is a bacon scent in it. I know you think that's weird, but okay, think of like a maple bacon. It's
okay,
like
I like a maple.
Yeah, like a maple bacon kind of donut. Like that was the whole idea. So it's sweet. We didn't put a lot of bacon scent oil into it, but it has just enough. So it is sweet, it's vanilla, it's caramely, it's mapley, and then there's like that hint of like sizzling bacon. So it's like truly a nasty pig. Again,
oink oink.
And again, I don't know what a nasty pig is, but
where'd you get nasty pig from?
It was on the Grinder glossary.
Oh my god, I wonder who's being called nasty pig. I want to meet him.
So like, and what I thought like a nasty pig based off of like this glossary I found was because it talked about like being tied up and like it actually talked, but it talked about like liking body odor and like
you like people love armpits.
Absolutely not. That's disgusting.
I don't mind armpits.
I'm really sensitive with smells. Absolutely not. But it like talked about like being tied up and the gag ball and
ooh, that's hot.
All that kind of stuff.
I think it's hot.
It made me think of like what Elektra did on Pose, the dominatrix kind of stuff. Yeah, like that's what I thought.
Hot.
I thought the person.
I mean, that's how I look like all the time.
I figured the person that was the tied up submissive one is like the nasty pig.
Yeah, because nasty pig to me sounds like you want to be dominated and you just don't care and you're just sexual and you're just like, love it. Like this is the candle that I would actually want in my bedroom.
Really? My mom said to the kitchen.
No.
She's like,
I don't think
kitchen.
nasty pig should be in the kitchen. I think it's a bedroom thing with the lights off at 3 in the morning. Love it.
The last one, which I love this scent, and honestly, it might become a permanent scent with how much I love it.
I do love this one too.
It came out probably what I would have wanted morning wood to smell like now that I've smelled this one. But I do like the name of it. It goes with the core scent, so to be determined, but I absolutely love this scent. And it's called Rugged Daddy.
Ooh, love it.
So Rugged Daddy it's powerful, it's rich, it's sensual, it is masculine, it's earthy. It has scents of like oak moss, tobacco, bay leaf, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of leather. It's like really that like sugar daddy, powerful money scent.
Love it. I think we're hooking up with the same person.
I just really wanted something that like smelled rich and successful and powerful, and that's kind of what my thought was when I was creating this one.
I think this was the one that I want. Well, I would want it if I want to be successful. It's between, what if I want to be like a nasty pig and successful?
Well, so actually, where's Nasty Pig at? So actually, and we'll throw the photo up for you guys right here. I actually photographed these two together because I feel like they are a perfect combo. Like this is your sub and this is your like dom top or dominant kind of whatever. But they do go really well together. And you'll notice that we had a little bit of playful props, we could say, with the photo shoots, and we'll throw some of them up right here. But with Rugged Daddy, like the thought of like a DL married like daddy came in, so you'll see like Jesse has a wedding ring on, or there'll be like a wedding ring in the photograph. It was really kind of being playful with some of the props and really kind of not being too, what do you say? Literal. Like, what's the word that you always say? So not being too literal, but being just enough literal, I guess you would say. So there you go. So we have all 4 scents. You have Rugged Daddy, Nasty Pig,
coming out,
and Travel Only. Woo. So these are gonna retail for $28. And again, 10% is gonna get donated to an LGBT plus foundation that we're working with. This will all be launching on June 1st to celebrate Pride Month. And our website will kind of close down on the 31st and then reopen on the 1st at 9 a.m. Yeah, we just can't wait till you guys get some of these in your homes. And I know it's a little hard to buy candles when you haven't smelt them, so that's why we like to be playful with the names and things like that, because it entices you guys to buy it, and we appreciate that. Even though we're not in like brick and mortar, that you guys are super supportive and have been there from the beginning. And as we get more and more people, it's great. We love to see where it's growing and can't wait to see where we go from here. But what a perfect way to celebrate Pride Month and our 1-year anniversary, and really just kind of hone in on like our kind of niche in the market and like our specialty and what we like to do. And then just to give you guys a little sneak peek, you'll see some of the photographs that we did with Jesse. So this is coming out. This is gonna be all 4 of them. Super exciting, and we can't wait for you guys to get them. And thanks for all the support in advance. And
then also, you guys, happy Pride Month. I will see you guys at all the Pride shows. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, and also Scentual Taboo. Everything will be linked on the bottom right here. Check out the website. And then, like I said, we have other candles on there as well. We have our holiday ones and our regular ones. So thank you guys so much for checking it out, and we cannot wait to see you guys take pictures with these candles in your beautiful living rooms or wherever you guys want to put them. Love you guys.
Bye. Thanks.